It is quite easy to cancel a booking on VRBO without having any direct consequences, whereas other platforms like Airbnb and Booking.com, you cannot easily cancel a booking. They either charge you a price difference or they penalize you for canceling a booking. Try and do this from a computer because their phone app is crap. Once you're on your computer, log into VRBO.com. Once you are logged in, you need to go to your hosting dashboard. You can either click here and click on owner dashboard. That will take you to your hosting dashboard, or you can simply type in vrbo.com/properties and that will take you to your hosting dashboard. Click on inbox on the left hand side. We basically need to go into the message thread with that guest which we need to cancel. You can just click on the guest you want to cancel. And once that is loaded, on the right hand side, you will see edit or cancel a booking. Click on this option. This is where it will prompt you whether you want to edit or cancel. Let me just quickly show you how you can edit the booking as well. This is how it works. You can simply change the dates, or if it is the number of guests you are changing, you can simply change that. Remember, when you're editing a reservation on VRBO, it does not automatically calculate the new amount. You will have to send a separate request to the guest after you have altered the booking. Let's not go too much into that. I will come back and click on cancel booking. It's fairly simple process. On the next screen, you can just simply choose a reason for the cancellation. You can write a message for the guest apologizing for the cancellation and all that. You can also choose the amount of refund you want to give to the guest. You can just simply choose 100% refund, and then once you've done all that, just click on continue, and on the next screen they will ask you to confirm once again, and after that the booking will be cancelled. I won't be able to show you the next screen because I do not really want to cancel this guest, but it's fairly easy. Try and do this from a computer. Their phone app is crap. And it's fairly easy. There are no direct consequences of canceling a booking. Unfortunately, I had to cancel a guest on the same day of their arrival, but VRBO did allow me to cancel without any consequences at all. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is bothering you. Until next time, bye-bye.